Let us talk about the theorems of logarithm. 1. Log p plus log q is expressed as log p times q. That is, whenever we are adding up logarithms of numbers in the same base, it could be expressed as the logarithm of the product of the numbers, provided the coefficient is 1. That is, when you have an expression like log 4 plus log 2, for instance, this is expressed as log 4 times 2. And so that would have been log 8. Okay? Secondly, log p minus log q is expressed as log p divided by q. Now, this law makes provision for subtractions of logarithm of numbers in the same base. When there is no base written in the logarithm of a number, that shows that it's in base 10. And so if you can't find a base here, that means this expression is made up of logarithm of numbers in base 10. And so the logarithm are the same. And so the second law here makes provision for subtractions of logarithms in the same base, provided the coefficient is 1. For example, log 6 minus log 3 can be expressed as log 6 divided by 3. The next law I want to talk about is log p raised to the power of n is expressed as n log p. That is, when we have the logarithm of a number where the number has a power, it could be expressed as the power is taken to the back. The power of the number here is n. N is taken to the back, and then it becomes the power times the logarithm of the number. For instance, if we have a number like, let's say, log of 4 raised to the power 2, this is then expressed as the power of 4 is 2. It is expressed as 2 times log 4. And so that's what it means. The next law I want to talk about is log a base a equals to 1. What this means is the logarithm of a number in the same base is equals to 1. When the number and the base are the same, then you have a value of 1. For instance, log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. Log 20 base 20 equals to 1. Log x base x equals to 1. The next law I want to talk about is log 1 base a equals to 0. Now what this means is the logarithm of 1 in whatsoever base gives a value of 0. Log 1 in whatever base, log 1 base 2, that's 0. Log 1 base, whatever base c, it gives you a value of 0. The next law, log a base b can be expressed as 1 divided by log b base a. Now this law is used, it's a special type of law. It is used when we want to interchange the number and the base. In this form, what we have is log a base b. The number is a, the base is b. But in a situation where you want to interchange the number and the base, then it becomes the inverse, 1 over log b base a. The next law, log a base b can be expressed as 1 divided by log b base a. Now this law is used, it's a special type of law. It is used when we want to interchange the number and the base. In this form, what we have is log a base b. The number is a, the base is b. But in a situation where you want to interchange the number and the base, then it becomes the inverse, 1 over log b base a. The next law is log A base B equals to log A base C divided by log B base C. Now in this law, this is a special law that is used when you want to introduce a new base. You want to change the base entirely. Like you're bringing a base from outside, and so it becomes the logarithm of the number in the new base divided by the logarithm of the old base over the new base. For instance, you have something like, let's say, log 3 base 2, then this can be expressed as log 3 base 10 over log 2 base 10. The next law, log A base B raised power C can be written as 1 over C log A base B. Now this law makes provision for when the base has a power. The base here has a power of C, and so it could be expressed as the inverse of the base. The power here is C, and C means C over 1. So the inverse of C over 1 is 1 over C. And so this can be expressed as 1 over C times the logarithm of the number to the base. So this particular law makes provision for when the when the base has a power. These are the most important laws of logarithms you need to know. If you have these, then you are good to go. Please click on the subscribe button and share with your loved ones. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.